How to delete your story on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can exactly go ahead and delete your story on TikTok. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok installed on your device. Go ahead and log into your account. After that, tap on the profile in the bottom right corner of the screen, and you will see a greenish and bluish circle around your profile picture. Simply tap on that, and this will let you view your story that you just posted under 24 hours. You will also see the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that, and there you will come across various options. You can copy link, add this to your Instagram story, send this story on Messenger, WhatsApp, Facebook, and other social platforms. You can also mention someone in this story. You can save this photo or go to settings to adjust your privacy settings. And there you will see the option of delete in the bottom right corner that is beside the content disclosure. Tap on that. Now you will get two different options, that is delete and re-edit. If you tap on that, you will get the option to re-edit. You can go ahead, crop, add stickers, whatever you like, and then re-upload it again. Or you can simply go ahead and tap on delete, which is highlighted in red color. That will permanently delete your story that has been posted under 24 hours. Once you do that, it will be done. So that is exactly how you can go ahead and delete your story on TikTok. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.